Lyrically intoxicated, weed influence. The rap professor at the chalkboard, teaching students. It's going down in the first round. Hear me in surround sound. What you know about some haze in that brown? Niggas been on the grind, we rock for free. The last real shit I listened to, a pop CD. The revolution start now, this is not TV. We scared the fuck out the industry. I'm still sipping Hennessy. It's hard for a pimp. Got love down in Tennessee. Only real niggas don't remember me. K-Dog, I'm rocking my shades like Ray Charles. Niggas say that they on top of their game, but they fall. Witness, this is a business. Any third party a mistress. You get your name added onto the hit list. Hugs and kisses from true fans. Rockefeller Laws got you going down for 2 grams. Time for new plans, connected city to city. We up in your town, secret intelligence be spreading around, so it's bound to go down. Like the Titanic in this last hour, it's a dirty game for money and power. It's going down. Like a hooker on the stove, hustle music like it's crack. I'ma push it till it's gold. It's going down. Like a nigga on the run with 2 bodies on the run, trying to make it to the sun.
It's going down like 2 center blocks tied to your ankles. All that gangsta in the yard that's about to shank you. It's going down like Baghdad, the Sudan or the Gaza shit. And when the snitch got locked, talking about all kinds of shit. You know what time it is. When that nigga that used to rob you comes home from that long ass bed, it's going down. All because he threw the shit out of proportion. Now they coming back like the armed forces. Move cautious, no time to feel nauseous. This is the path you chose. Real thug niggas that blast the dough. They'll let you know it's going down, never going up. Famous people getting stuck, you feeling big and pressure luck. You better duck, it's going down.
Like the Titanic in this last hour, it's a dirty game for money and power. It's going down. Like a hooker on the stove, hustle music like it's crack. I'ma push it till it's gold. It's going down. Like a nigga on the run with 2 bodies on the run, trying to make it to the sun. It's going down. So down, it's going down. Like the Titanic in this last hour, it's a dirty game for money and power. It's going down. Like a hooker on the stove, hustle music like it's crack. I'ma push it till it's gold. It's going down. Like a nigga on the run with 2 bodies on the run, trying to make it to the sun. It's going down.
Nah, I mean, it's going down, man. Straight like that. It's non-fiction over here. It's Black Market. Black Market. It's that shit right here, you know what I mean? You see, I'm a Brooklyn nigga. And this that Shaolin shit, you know what I mean? So I'ma call this the Verrazano Bridge, niggas. You know what I mean? East New York, it's in the motherfucking building.
You can have my useful roaster. You can take my hard-boiled hat, but you can never take from me my silver-mounted gat. The hold-up men all know me, and they sure leave me be. I'm a pistol-packing papa, and I ramble where I please.
East New York, Brownsville, home of the Tomahawk. Caddy Club thugs park the ESTs on sidewalks. Let's get back to live talk. Violate, ruin your knees like asphalt. You must have asked for it. 5 different state IDs and 8 passports. Stay back and forth. Catch me midtown, laying in the lavish loft. You holding heat, but you ain't blasting off. Just another carpet rapper. I order slap you, frontin' like you street, but you taking orders from crackers. Just another nigga caught in the rapture. You waiting on the next job, but I'm still eating like contractors. Play me on your Windows Media. My step pop name is Keeper. Stay burning the cheaper. After 14 years, how could you not be a believer? With this real shit coming through your speakers. Every time you hear me, it's ether. Why y'all niggas dumbing out? I'm like a ratchet with ammunition. I'm never running out, so go ahead, run your mouth, say my name the wrong way. When we meet up, nigga, it's gonna be a long day. So get down, lay down, do what the song say. Before you find your brains right over where the horns play. Shit.
You can have my useful roaster. You can take my hard-boiled hat, but you can never take from me my silver-mounted gat. The hold-up men all know me, and they sure leave me be. I'm a pistol-packing papa, and I ramble where I please.
to my stack bigger. Used to want a max and an act bigger. Blackjack tripper, sold weed by myself cause I bagged that quicker. Foxy Brown was the shit, one badass sister. Yo, I kill them slow like cigarettes. I'm locking shit down like 10 arrests. The host cause you been a guest. I paid dues, no receipts but I made moves. With no permission I just take cool. Get it right the first time, no time for take two. This is how I do it, plus I stay true. Ever since a baby in baby blue, I stick you with these verses like crazy glue. My rhyme partner go as deep as the Navy do. Ghost space killer on the track can save the world. The black market fucking up the game, we change the rules. Politic with niggas if they beats are steady. Nobody frontin' cause they seen us on the streets already. Show, throw your hands up, roll up an L. This is black market shit and these niggas do it well, yo. Throw your hands up and roll up an L. This is black market shit and these niggas do it well,
You
yo.
can hear when you smoke them. You can take my hard-boiled hat, but you can never take from me my silver mounted yet. There's older men all on me, and they sure need me. I'm a pistol packing robber, and I ramble where I please.
Gotta dumb me down for y'all motherfuckers. It's nothing. It's black market.
On this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off who wants some. I'm fighting for my soul. God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back. I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off who wants some.
See them long, hard times to come.
My life is ill, son. Prepared to kill, son. A paradox of pain, baby, it's real, son. Lonely traveler, ain't trying to bout you up. But if you're feeling tough, dog, I walk up all challenges. Ain't got no family, you see this one of me. Might lose your post, standing 2 feet in front of me. I'm pissed at the world, but I ain't looking for trouble. I might crack a grin, I ain't looking to hug you. Think about it, nobody wants to die. There's rule to this game, son, I'm justified. I'm ready to go, partner. Hey, I'm on the run. The devil's hugging on my boots, that's why I own the gun. This journey's too long, I'm looking for some answers. So much time stressing, I forget the questions. I fear no man, you don't want no problems, B. Eyes in the back of my head, you better not follow me. On this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off who wants some. I'm fighting for my soul. God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back. I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off who wants some.
See them long, hard times to come.
Yo, you probably think I'm crazy or got some loose screws, but that's alright though. I'ma do me, you do you. So how you judging me? I'm just trying to survive, and if the time comes, I ain't trying to die. I'm just trying to fly and get a little love. Find me a down piece and get a little hug. Hook the car up, hit the bar up, clean the scars up. Hey yo, the stars up. Hey, this is the life of an outlaw. We ain't promised tomorrow, I'm living now, dog. I'm walking through life, but yo, my feet hurt. All my blessings are fair, man, I rest when I'm dead. Look through my eyes and see the real world. Take a walk with me, have a talk with me. Where we end up, God only knows. Strap your boots on tight, you might be alright. On this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off who wants some. I'm fighting for my soul. God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back. I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off who wants some.
See them long, hard times to come.
Shit for the 07. Just do me a favor. You gotta get on it, nah, man. Cash, man, deep thoughts, black market. They can't stop us. Yeah, this how it's going down, you feel me? Yo, Rap niggas wanna crucify me, do me like Illuminati. Black market flowing like two tsunamis. Sharp as a new Amani, bow to my super army. I keep this Luger on me, bow to intruders only. I smoke the tropical, impossible mission to see this vision when you sitting in the hospital. They can't see you. I'm shooting 16 balls just like a hot pistol. I make your block sizzle, run when the cops whistle. Niggas say they got your back, but then they not with you. It's not an obstacle, I'm Cashmere the honorable. The niggas wanna imitate me, shorties wanna rendezvous. Shorties be shaking like Beyonce do. One of the realest in the game, slapping fake MCs. Pick up for niggas like the NAACP. Original beats ready, you can visit the streets, but pay attention till the mission's complete. I'm on a mission, cuz yeah, not now, but right now, let's do it for the crowd. Anything for this dream, representing my team, you know. Yeah, not now, but right now, let's do it for the crowd, baby. Yeah, anything for this dream, representing my team.
We make moves like coke coppers, the flow's proper. I get love from the thugs, low above the shotters. Y'all talk tough, but y'all ain't gon' do nada. My goons will run you off the set, have you ruin your products. No one's hotter, basically it's all the same. If you ask me, all these rappers is lame. I'm true to the game, introduce new shit to your brain. I'm gonna get on it no matter how much money you gain. And I dare you to come out your face and say that it's weak. I'll shit on your favorite rapper to his favorite beat. I ain't got a dry stitch to try to say that I'm street. Labels having bidding wars cause we coming with heat. Cop the single, you'll get in free at the album release. Don't matter to me, long as you cop the CD. Cause the rent, you got your head bopping, tapping the feet. Stop using black market, that ain't your name, you don't want no beef. Yes, you know that. But not now, but right now, let's do it for the crowd. Anything for this green, representing my team, cause not now, but right now, let's do it for the crowd, baby. Yeah, anything for this green, representing my team,
Black market, you know what I'm saying? Coast to coast, deep in the street black, you know what I mean? BK to Augusta GA, beats by that band right there, Rich. Bringing the hip hop back, lighting that torch. We ain't going nowhere.
All my thugs, all my street dudes, I'm here to represent y'all, let the world know that we go through shit, you know? Every cat ain't out there watching Scarface and rolling Dutches and smoking. Thugs got feelings too, you know? And anybody who knows me, I keep it 100% a day, all day. True story. Mommy, we used to lounge back easy like my heart was on lockdown. You had the key to life. A day, we were stuck like glue, but looking for a mommy who was just like you. Dog, it was like I hit the lotto. We live for today, so the hell with tomorrow. We even drank 40 together. Met a lot of mamas, but shorty, you were better. We love the same thing, from movies to Motown. For red wine to soul food, you're so cool. We slept together with our clothes on, head on my shoulder, listening to slow songs. Felt like nothing could go wrong. Girl, look, ma, I'm on top of the world. So real, other chicks were phony. You were more than my shorty, you were my homie. But things in the crib didn't work out. You had to work out, too crowded. Remember how we spoke about it? Your vibe wouldn't let you reach out to me. I had to sit back, take that, respect where your mind's at. Wish I could take these good times, rewind that. But reality prevents me from buying that. It's hard to find real love in the hood, so twist the Hennessy, roll a Dutch, and remember it's all good.